Stop right there. If your Apple TV Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting, buffering, or dropping again and again, this video will fix it. These are real technician-tested solutions, not random tips. Follow step by step. First, understand the problem. Apple TV Wi-Fi dropping usually happens due to router band conflict, network sleep settings, or background system bugs. Now let us fix it properly. Step 1. Restart everything the correct way. Unplug your Apple TV power cable. Turn off your Wi-Fi router and modem. Wait exactly 60 seconds. Now turn on the modem first, then turn on the router. After full internet is stable, plug in Apple TV. This clears temporary network cache issues. Step 2. Disable automatic network switching. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then Wi-Fi. Select your connected Wi-Fi network. Turn off auto-join nearby networks. Apple TV sometimes jumps between saved networks, causing drops. Step 3. Use the correct Wi-Fi band. Avoid mixed networks. If your router uses both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz with same name, Apple TV gets confused. Rename them separately from router settings. Connect Apple TV only to 5 GHz for stable speed if signal is strong. If distance is far, use only 2.4 GHz. Step 4. Turn off power-saving network sleep. Go to Settings, then go to General, then Sleep After. Set it to Never. Now go to Settings, then go to Apps, then Background App Refresh. Turn it off. Background refresh causes Wi-Fi drops during streaming. Step 5. Reset network settings only. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Do not choose Full Reset. Reconnect Wi-Fi fresh. Step 6. Check router security mode. Use WPA2 Personal or WPA2/WPA3 Mixed. Avoid only WPA3. Apple TV may disconnect repeatedly on strict WPA3 routers. Step 7. Update Apple TV software. Go to Settings, then go to System, then Software Updates. Select Update Software. Network bugs are often fixed silently in updates. Final professional tip. If possible, use Ethernet cable directly from router to Apple TV. This completely removes Wi-Fi dropping forever. That is it. No reset tricks, no fake fixes. This is the exact method technicians use. If this helped, you are watching Tech Vibes.